Hi there, this is Phil from SiteTech Safety, and this is a quick demonstration of our ground up edge protection EBR system that we have available. So this system here, to start off, has a span or spacing of 5.4 meters. So it's quite a large span. The railing itself does come in lengths of 3, 4 and 6 meters for the horizontals. And regardless of that length, you can fully utilize the spacing, as you can see here, by incorporating some joiners. Bit of a close-up on the E-bracket itself. The yellow J-shaped bracket shadows the gutter and fascia. No clipping or clamping is required. And it has a foot mount attached with a bolt and nut, which pressurizes up against your structural points on your eave. The upright pole, as you can see here, is 4 meters for single story. And in the case that you work in a double story, all you need to do is add an additional 2-meter pole to give the additional height, as well as an external joiner. Moving down the structure, you have your adjustable base jack and sole plate, and that's what you'll be twisting to pressurize the structure upwards into the eave lining. Moving on to your corners, you'll have one J-shaped bracket situated within 1.2 meters of the corner, and you'll also be provided with corner sets. As you can see here, these are 90-degree clamps, which will allow the railing to interlace over another at your corner. Moving forward, in the case that you do not have a eave, you can interchange the foot mount with a multi-bracket attachment. This sits somewhat flush against the building. It's commonly used for your box cutters, your heritage buildings, or even your sheds. And if you did want to use it in a freestanding or non-fixed manner, you can also apply the outrigger assembly, as you can see. Outside of that, you can actually partially fix the multi-bracket attachment and remove the A-frame assembly, or you can even fully fix the multi-bracket and remove all assemblies altogether. Commonly used in a commercial and a residential setting. I've now moved into the warehouse itself to show you a bit of a close-up of the structure. So if you can see there's enough clearance for the fascia board to actually slot in between the J-shaped bracket and the foot mount itself. You can locate the structural points which you'll be pressurizing up against through the clouts, through the eave sheeting. Moving on to the actual foot mount itself, if you look closely, there is a sprocket wheel which can allow you to adjust to the pitch of the roof. Here's an example of the foot mount being adjusted to match the pitch of the roof. And in accordance with that, you are provided with gable and mount sets. So those are the rectangular pieces of metal you can see there, which sit in the seats of the J-shaped bracket, and also allows a horizontal rail to swivel or adjust. You also do provide access points. Firstly, you have your ladder arm access, which is situated at the end of your railing, attached with 2 half clamps, generally for your quicker jobs. And then we also have a self-closing gate for your longer jobs, situated between 2 J-shaped brackets. So that is a quick demonstration of our ground-up edge protection system that we have available. If you have any additional questions, feel free to shoot me an email at philip@sitetechsolutions.com.au. Thank you.